Electric Avenue, are you ready to plug in? Welcome to the future of driving, where electric cars are not just a concept but a reality. Hey everyone, Doug DeMuro here. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of electric cars. From sleek dashboards to silent engines, electric cars are transforming transportation. Are they just a fad or the future of driving? Let's break it down. Are they worth your hard-earned cash? Let's see if the investment pays off. Electric cars, or EVs, have exploded in popularity. Major automakers are investing heavily. But with all the hype, it's important to look at the facts. What are the real benefits and potential drawbacks? We'll explore the good, the bad, and the electrifying. From performance to practicality, we'll cover it all. Get ready to learn about cost savings, environmental impact, and the latest tech. By the end, you'll be able to decide if an EV is right for you. Let's get started on this electrifying journey. The green and going green, saving money with electric cars. One of the biggest draws of EVs is the potential for saving money. With rising gasoline costs, this becomes even more appealing. No more gas stations, charge at home or at public stations. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline, leading to significant savings. EVs have fewer moving parts, meaning less maintenance and fewer trips to the mechanic. Plus, government incentives and tax credits can reduce the upfront cost, making EVs more affordable. Planet Positive, the environmental perks of EVs. Beyond the financial benefits, EVs offer a huge plus for the environment. Unlike gas guzzlers, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions. That means cleaner air for everyone. And it's not just about tailpipe emissions. The overall carbon footprint of producing an EV is lower than that of a gasoline car. As renewable energy sources grow, EVs will become even greener. Choosing an EV is a powerful way to reduce your impact on the planet. It's a win for your wallet and for Mother Earth. Section 4. EVs versus gas guzzlers, a head-to-head. Let's compare EVs to traditional gasoline cars in a few key areas. First up, initial cost. Right now, EVs tend to have a higher upfront price tag. However, as technology advances and production scales up, prices are steadily dropping. When it comes to running costs, EVs take the lead. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline, and maintenance is minimal. Over time, these savings can outweigh the higher initial cost. Range anxiety, or the fear of running out of charge, is a common concern with EVs. However, battery technology is rapidly improving, and many EVs now offer impressive ranges on a single charge. Section 5. The electric verdict. Is an EV right for you? So, is buying an electric car worth it? It depends on your needs, driving habits, and budget. If you drive short distances and want to reduce your carbon footprint, an EV might be perfect for you. However, if you're on a tight budget or drive long distances without charging access, it might be challenging. Do your research, test drive a few EVs, and talk to current owners. The future of driving is electric,